In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view user geolocation data in Google Analytics. 4. If you want to understand where your audience is coming from and tailor content, campaigns, or language to match, this is the report you'll be using most often. I'll walk you through exactly where it lives and how to get the most value from it without getting lost in the interface. Start by opening your Google Analytics account. Make sure you're in the correct property for the site or app you want to analyze, since each property has its own data. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and click Reports. If your screen already shows the reporting workspace, that's perfect. If not, click Reports again to ensure you're in that section. Inside the Reports workspace, locate the User Attributes area. This is where Google Analytics groups details about who your users are, including age, interests, language, and, importantly for today, where they're located. Open User Attributes, then choose Demographic Details. This is the central hub for geolocation insights in GA4. On this page, you'll typically see a map visualization along with a data table. The default view often starts at the country level, but you can change the primary dimension to see results by region or city, depending on your needs. The key metrics here usually include users, new users, engaged sessions, and engagement rate, which help you understand not only where visitors originate, but also how actively they interact with your content. To narrow your view, use the available filters to suit your specific needs. You can filter for a particular country, include or exclude certain locations, or set up comparisons that let you contrast performance between, say, two countries or cities side by side. Adjust the date range to align with your reporting period and keep it consistent when you're comparing before and after campaign results. A few practical tips will help you interpret what you're seeing. Geolocation in GA4 is based on approximate signals and is privacy aware, so extremely small user counts may be withheld or aggregated. If you're testing niche campaigns, remember that low volume data can fluctuate. Look for trends over a sensible time window rather than day-to-day noise. When evaluating traffic spikes from a location, pair the user numbers with engagement and conversions so you know whether that audience is actually valuable. That's all you need to access and refine geolocation data in Google Analytics. 4. Open your account, go to Reports, head into User Attributes, then Demographic Details, and apply the filters that match your goals. With this workflow, you'll quickly see where your audience is and how they engage, so you can make smarter, location-aware decisions.